Alright, sorry I forgot to show the adapter. I was too carried away at showing the main thing, the laptop. So the adapter comes in this box here. So the inside it looks like this. Don't want to tip it up though. And then there's this flap here. Open it. So that's the 65 volts, I believe, the Lenovo. That's the, I think, standard adapter that they have. So I'll just take it out. So it looks like this. I think you can see it says 65W. 65W, right? Probably mirrored. Yeah, and then this stuff right here. And then the plug. That. Okay. How do I put this back? Like that. And then the power cable. Really small, the power cable. It's quite small. Quite short, should I say. It used to be longer. I'll just see how long this thing is. Why does this, this thing is tangled up, yeah. Do it properly. Yeah, it's not too long actually at all. Definitely shorter for sure. So we've got this plug here. This plug, you guys might not be too familiar if you're not in New Zealand or Australia. So this is the plug that's for the power socket for New Zealand and Australia. Yeah, so it may look different. This may not apply to you guys, that are living in the US or Europe, Asia, So this is for Australia and New Zealand, this power plug. Yeah. I'll just put this here. So that's pretty much it. Sorry I forgot to, as I said again, I forgot to put that on there, on the main video. But we'll see if YouTube would allow me to upload this. I don't know how to put this video in that one. I don't have that software to do the editing for, but at the moment it is 3 minutes, so hopefully they will allow me to put that on there. If not, I would guess I just have to leave this video out. I'll just put this back in here, but maybe I'll talk more. So this laptop is a Lenovo. I'll just grab the sheet again. So it came in this envelope right here. Maybe I'll just use some more time to make it put on there. So it's the Thinkpad X13 Gen 5. Yeah, showed it a little bit on here, and it says, this tells you how to get started, where the webcams are. Webcam, there's like a switch there where you can turn it, cover the camera. Oh, navigate is the login. There's like Japanese on here too, Chinese as well. Yeah, just basically saying that, like where the ports are, what ports what. Whatever that is. Oh, that's what I was trying to figure out earlier. What that thing was. I think it's probably like a mobile card or something. Yeah, but some models don't have the nano SIM. I think I didn't get that. I didn't need nano SIM for that. Like, because some people, they use their mobile data to use the internet. Most people use Wi-Fi nowadays. They just tap it in there and just go. There's the track points as well. like that red circle on the middle of the keyboard. I don't really use that feature though. I mainly use my mouse. I mainly use this sort of like a mouse there. And then just how to sit, gives you posture warning, you know, privacy guard. Some stuff are in Chinese and Japanese and Korean, although Lenovo's in China. So I think hopefully this would, you know, allow me to upload this video. It's currently at 5 minutes 42. Yeah, hopefully it will, but if not, it doesn't really matter. I forgot to show the adapter. So that's pretty much it. Because like I've opened this up and then the inside it looks like this now. So it's pretty much empty, you know. So it comes with the adapter at the top and a box, like this box here. This is the adapter, and then there's this cardboard. I think it's equivalent to like a bubble wrap or like a soft mesh that holds that in place. And there's one at the bottom as well where they put the this laptop in there. Yeah, where they put it. Yeah. All right. Okay. Thank you for watching, and then hopefully I can afford to, if I get a new like a gadget or tech accessory, I'll try and do an unboxing or show you guys. But for now, bye for now.